Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, my name is Stuart, and if you are looking for something sporty in a DB11 coupe, this would be the specification for you. So we have this 2018 on a 68 plate, done 28,700 miles from new, V8 coupe DB11, finished in, as you can see, China grey. This has got a really cool and quite a sporty colourway. So we'll run you through the spec, but as we go around the vehicle, you will notice those sort of sporting elements coming out. So as I say, finished in China grey. China grey is sort of a battleship grey colour. It's been around for a number of years. I think it looks really cool. It's quite a stealthy colour. It does mainly really pop at night. During the day, obviously, it just looks like a flat grey. Again, a lot of people like that look, but at night, this is a super stealthy colour. So let's start at the front of the vehicle. So we have the gloss black lower body package on this car. So that is your front splitter, side seals and rear diffuser, which we'll show you shortly. We also have the gloss black veined front grille on this one here, along with the black vents along the bonnet. We also have the crushed carbon fibre wings badges on the front and also on the rear. It's quite a large option back in 2018 for DB11 and quite unusual to see. We also have the gloss black upper body package on this car. So that was your side strake, your window, your roof strake, and also down onto your tail tips on the back. We also have a gloss black roof to match on this vehicle. And as you can see from the side profile, this is a really cool sporty look to it. We also have the shadow chrome wheels with a red brake caliper behind, and that red theme follows through onto the interior, which we'll show you shortly. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, we have smoked rear lights on the back, and as you can see here, we also have the crushed carbon fibre wings badges. Might be worth noting that the script on the back of the vehicle is still in chrome. That was the option that you had when you went for the forged badges. You got the chrome script. That is something that can be removed should you want to. And as I say, we have the black tail tips at the back there. And then the same look, as I say, when we're looking down the driver's side, now that you can see the black, the grey and the black at the top with the red calipers, does give it a really sporting edge, this vehicle. And as I say, we'll take you through on the interior and you will see a bit more of that colour pop through on the inside. So welcome to the interior of this DB11. This car has got pretty much everything that you could have on the inside of a DB11, all bar the touchpad, but we still have the wheel on here anyway to control your navigation. So we have a dark chrome jewellery package, a gloss black piano veneer. We also have a pure black leather interior with a contrast stitching, a contrast broguing, and we also have heated and cooled seats with memory and multiple adjustments. This will also have the lumbar and bolster support. We have a Wings logo on the headrest, and as I say, to get that pop of colour, we also have the spicy red seat belts which match the brake calipers on the outside. And then finally topped off with your Bang & Olufsen stereo system and a leather headlining. There is lots to talk about on the inside of this car, but do give us a call here at the showroom or visit our website hwmastonmartin.co.uk for further details.